I saw an up it. Honk, honk. Who's there?
That's really pretty.
Honk, honk.
So is that, what is this? Is this your spaghetti?
Honk, honk.
Taylor, is this your spaghetti?
Honk, honk. No. Honk, honk.
What is it?
It's a big teeth.
It's a really long what?
Teeth.
It's a lots of teeth?
Yeah.
It's what? Whose teeth does it belong to? Your teeth?
Roger.
These are your teeth?
Roger who?
Cool. You're silly.
I said it too.
Oh! You guys having fun?
Guys, can you take a picture of my
Yes, I can.
picture?
Very nice.
Everybody, take picture.
Can you hold it up?
Take picture of mine. Take picture of
So what is that? Is that your beach? That's your beach, right?
Right?
Hey, hold on. Gotta take turns. And
look at my other side. Take a picture
Nick?
of my other side.
Nick, what are you drawing right now?
Pokey, pokey, pokey.
A pokey? Okay.
Take a picture of the other
And
side.
what are you drawing right now? Wait, turn it around, turn around.
A pole.
That's a beach, right?
No, it's a pole with all the pictures in it and 50.
Cool. Well, it looks really pretty. Can you put it down? It's very nice. You got lots of fishes and happy faces on there.
Hold on. Take a picture of this. Take a picture of a dancing coloring.
Is your painting dancing?
Yeah.
Why is it dancing?
Because he wants to take a picture.
He wants to take a picture? Okay, here we go. Cheese. Took a picture.
Pokey, 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 pokey. Look at my picture. Pokey. Pokey, pokey. Here's your picture. Pokey, pokey. Okay.
That's really nice, Taylor. No, come sit back down, please, right now. Sit on your bum. Come sit on your bum. No, Nicholas, come back in. Come sit back down.